My name is Thomas Winkley. I'm a technical marketing advocate on the advocacy team at Unity focusing on education. Unite is our user conference where we unveil new technology, we share information about what we're doing as a company, we connect with our community, and we also provide a lot of upskilling sessions to help the community learn and grow and enhance their development skills. And we're in Barcelona this year, which is amazing. Yeah, for us, it's about connecting with and growing the future of our industry and our community. And the best way we think we can do that is by helping students. Students are the future of all of the industries we're all looking towards. And selfishly as well, all of us were students at one point, and it's really, I'm trying to think of the right words. It's rewarding to give back to students the help that we wish we would have had, right? And the cool thing about game development is it's so diverse and it's so open that students can jump in so quickly, and if we can give them the tools and the support and help them find opportunity, then it's just going to be a better games industry as a whole. Yeah, first of all, it's an incredible program. Reading over the website, looking at the games that have come out of it, the amount of the intensity with which they teach, I found to be really interesting. Playing the student games in there has been super fun. And it's in a beautiful central spot with a great space that we can connect all of the students to. It was also really important for us to make it very accessible to where we were going to be. We wanted to make sure that we could bring our industry partners to meet these students and talk to them. And when you're doing a conference in a new country, it's really hard to convince people to travel very far. So being in a nice central location with a bunch of amazing students just kind of made it really easy to make the choice.
Doncs el projecte que he ensenyat és Hold Up, que és un projecte de primer, junt amb 3 companys, que va ser guanyador de l'M&A. Doncs realment és com una experiència privilegiada, ja que és gent que té molta experiència i molt coneixement, i en què sigui uns petits detalls ja et donen suficient informació per seguir millorant i constantment treballant en el projecte per elevar-ho.
Doncs m'ha agradat perquè, a més, està bé poder parlar amb les persones que estan darrere de l'eina que utilitzes per crear els videojocs. I a més per aprendre de persones que tenen més coneixements que tu i també conèixer altres companys i compartir experiències, consells i coneixements.